So guys, she's having a little difficulty with the dumplings, so I take out one and I'm showing her. I'm saying roll it like this, like a ball.
Okay.
Roll it like this, like a ball, baby.
Okay.
Look.
Yes. Okay.
And then we're gonna use right here.
Right.
Right here.
Yeah.
And right here. The next one, I'm gonna go like this. Nice. You see, it's better now, right?
I don't know if that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's better now.
Okay.
So,
He gets to his hands going. I don't know how to do it.
Hey, look at that, man. Come on, man. Tell me she's not going with herself, no, man. Oh, that thick and nice. A babe, I do it, yeah? Yeah. I'm a lovely queen, I do it. Brown stew chicken. Yeah? Welcome back, guys. So today baby's cooking for us, and you know who's happy because it's long awaited, right? So she's gonna cook some Jamaican food for us today, and I'm so excited. She says she's gonna cook some stewed chicken and dumpling. You know Rajero love dumplings, so that's what we're about today. So I'm extremely happy, and yeah, we're gonna get to work, man. So I'm so happy.
I'm a little nervous. No.
So guys, I want you guys to see how she does, you know what I mean, like from where I've been teaching her to where she's at now. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda today. Baby's cooking for us today. Baby's cooking dinner, so I'm excited for it, so stay tuned.
So guys,
What?
this is what I want to show them what you guys do, because I seen this in the comments one time of another video. Jamaicans put a wet cloth underneath their cutting board to keep it from sliding around. Because I seen someone in the comment section saying, I think you should put a wet towel. Not to us. This was another video I was watching.
I could use bread too, so I could cut like a loaf of bread,
Yeah.
cut it in half, and then I just stick them and then stick my board, and it would not move also.
But that's a waste of bread, though.
It's okay, that's just how we do it. But
Really?
guys, don't think I'm cooking. I'm just helping out my wife to cut the chicken because she struggled to cut the bones in the chicken and stuff, right? So this is what we're gonna prepare today, and not we, baby's gonna prepare today. So
Yes.
I'm just gonna help her to cut them smaller because it's still chicken, and yeah, just watch her go to work. So I'm gonna have the camera, but baby's gonna cook and stuff. So yeah.
And guys, if I was to do it, if Babe wasn't here and I was cooking, I would use like boneless, skinless chicken thighs or boneless, skinless. Yeah, I more than likely thighs, because that's the only thing you can really get besides breast. And I would not use breast for brown stewed chicken. I would use like thighs. But Babe is here, and we've got lots of these drumsticks, so I'm going to utilize him to cut this up for me.
Right.
And wash it and clean it. Why not? I'll do the rest though. I'll season it and cook it and all of the rest, okay? Stay tuned. Some water on, boiling.
So guys, being the gentleman I am, I cut my wife chicken up for her and clean it, wash it. So she's preparing her seasonings all together. I'm excited, guys. I don't know for y'all, but she's focused, so that's good. She's going with this pot, and this is the food pot, you know. So yeah, dumpling, Irish, whatever she's going for. So
So I got thyme.
Okay.
I put ginger in everything. I put garlic in everything. I don't know if I'm going to use the sugar yet. I got it out. I put onion in everything. I put thyme in everything. Now, you would probably just use 1 carrot. I like to get veggies in me and Raj and my family.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to go at like 3.
Okay.
Yeah, and
I'm excited, boo.
what?
I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah.
Babe, I cook for you all the time. But you're excited that that we're vlogging it?
Yes. The difference is you cook for me, but you cook Canadian.
And
so.
the thing is, you don't usually watch me when I cook for you. You just see the finished product and he'll taste and say, oh, this is really good.
Yeah.
So he doesn't really watch me cooking because he's usually at work, right? So.
Well, yeah. You guys are getting it first hand like me. You know what I mean? So yeah. Stay tuned for it. Okay, babe, so what you doing now?
I was gonna do 2 carrots and then I decided to do a 3rd one.
Okay.
Because
So these are all the seasonings you're gonna use?
yeah.
Okay.
This is all I've already got them washed and peeled and
Guys, babe use a lot of seasonings in her stuff, so yeah.
okay, so there we go. I got green
So what
onion.
you got there?
Okay, green onion, carrot, onion, ginger, garlic, red pepper, green pepper, and thyme.
Okay.
And then my seasonings, I'm going to use garlic, onion. I didn't realize we're so short on this.
Alright, so guys, we didn't realize we run short on browning. So, you know, I'm gonna give her a next style. I'm gonna show babe a next.
I don't think we're short. I said we got to get some more.
Okay, so I'm gonna show babe another style where we're gonna do brown stew anyways, babe. So don't fret
Okay.
it.
Alright.
Yeah, I got you.
So I got garlic powder, paprika, all-purpose. This is complete. Not right away, but I do put that in later on.
Okay.
Like not right away. And then onion powder. And this. And then I'm also going to use some hot pepper flakes.
Okay.
And of course salt and pepper. I'm going to use the real pepper. And I'm going to use this salt right here. And I'll put a little bit of seasoning salt. So yeah, it's quite a little bit of seasoning there.
My baby know her kitchen. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Okay, okay, babe.
But I'm not going to make it really salty. It's going to be more flavorful than salty. I don't like a lot of salt. Someone can add more. But I will put some salt, you know?
Yeah.
But all of these seasonings have salt in it, really, because this has salt in it. And this has salt in it. So, but anyway, so let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, let me get some, just drying it
Getting
off.
all
a
your
bit.
water out. Okay, baby.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Oh my, these look some pretty, man. They look beautiful.
All right. So.
Let's get to work. We're getting to work.
Okay. God be with me.
So that's your salt?
So this is my salt. I'm not going to put a whole lot to start with. I'll taste it after. And then seasoning salt.
So that's your seasoning salt.
Guys, I'm like him. I don't measure. I just kind of... I don't do the little plates with the little piles. I just kind of go with what my eye...
What's this? What's
This
this?
is
You gotta
pepper.
tell them. Oh, that's peppercorn?
Peppercorn, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I need pimento. Can't forget the pimento. But I'll put that in after. Okay. So I'm going to use hot pepper.
That's your hot pepper flakes?
Yep.
Okay.
Paprika.
Nice. I'm excited.
Garlic powder. I don't use garlic salt. Garlic powder. And I have real garlic too, but I'm going to use this. This is onion powder.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever seen you use onion powder, but this is how I do it.
And
And
you're
then I
cooking,
use
though.
my complete, complete.
Yeah.
Now, before I met Babe, instead of complete, I would use like oregano, parsley,
Looks good already.
thyme. Yeah, I'm still going to use thyme, but like complete has all the herbs in it, right? So, yeah. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this. We want lots of flavor, but maybe it's a little too much. right. And then I'm going to put this in. So you said you have a trick to show me?
Yeah, let's
Put
go
some
for
water
it.
in it?
Go for it. No, he doesn't need to.
I'm going to put a little
enough.
bit of oil or something in this. Hold on now. And just give it a little toss.
That's our trick. Okay.
Let's see here.
That's smart. Because you know the oil and the should be good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you always said to me that if you don't season it up ahead of time, the oil would help it stick more anyway, right?
Yes.
So
You see, guys, she's taking heed, and that's good, you know, when you have a woman that listens to you and someone who's willing to learn too, right? So, yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to chop this, and I got to make sure I get some. It's not at all the stores. So I'm going to take my rings off.
She got a lot of rings.
Yeah, I'm going to make sure I wash my hands.
Okay. Pot is ready.
Yep. Anyway, I'm going to do it this way first. I was going to say I could put the garlic and stuff in, but I'll do that in a minute.
That is the way I had planned. Doesn't look like we need that anymore because the chicken is already brown, so
Yep.
works out just as fine. Nice,
Yeah.
baby girl. Looking beautiful. Oh my.
So Babe already cleaned it and cut it.
Can't wait. Yeah.
Huh?
I'm telling them I can't wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've actually, guys, if you go way back in our, vlogs, when I was the second vlog that we've ever done on this channel, I did brown stew chicken.
Oh, well, you know what? At that time, I don't think we didn't have enough subscribers then. So
No, I know, but I'm just saying if you want to go back and see how I did it then, I mean, that's fine too. What happened was I had told him I wanted a divorce. And then the next day I felt bad. It was our very first vlog. I told him it was a prank, right? And so then to make up for how I made him feel, I made him a banana chocolate loaf and some brown stewed chicken.
guys,
So,
let me tell you, man, when you have a wife that listens and doesn't just do her own thing and want to learn, this the benefit of it, man. Trust me, this the benefit of it, you know. She can cook you your home cooked meals and it's gonna nice. The meals from your country and it's gonna good. So yeah, I'm happy for it. And yeah, I mean, she reached to the point where she can display her skills, you know, on the camera and feel confident, you know. So that's pretty good, you know what I mean? Yeah, that show growth, that show maturity, and that shows that she really wants to make hubby happy. So I'm good,
yes.
trust me, you know what I mean? So I'm happy.
and I love it too.
Yeah, she loves cooking
I
too.
really
Yeah,
enjoy
beautiful.
the taste of brown stew chicken and all of the Jamaican meals.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like all Jamaican meals. I don't think there's one that I didn't like yet. I mean, there was one that you made, like the Hellshire fish that was really spicy. I liked it, but it was really spicy.
Okay,
I liked it though.
Maybe the pepper get away, you never know, right? So
You know the one that you put the peppers in the bottle with the vinegar and the hot pepper? Yeah, that one.
oh, she's talking the escaviche fish.
Escaviche, yeah.
The fail vlog. You know what I mean? So I really need to do back that because I mean I was so passionate about that one. I was feeling it. It was lovely, but unfortunately it didn't go as planned and oh my god. But you know what? It is what it is. We go again, right? So that's what we're doing now. So as you all know, Rajero started school. He's going on strong. Beautiful baby. And he's doing his things. Right, Pops?
Yeah.
How is school going? You're liking it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I picked him up from school today. His babe was busy. And, you know, I had to fill in, so that's beautiful. He's just here watching his TV and stuff. Look at him. We have him building. He's building a whole tower. So that's good. Yeah, of course, baby. Go for it.
So, I know people's gonna say, he watches too much TV, but guys, when we're doing a vlog, it's easier for us to sit him down and get him to watch a show, so he's not, you know what I mean, getting in the kitchen. And but if we weren't doing a vlog, I'd be in the living room with him doing
drilling him. Yeah, of course, every day.
Yeah,
like
so
he's drilled.
People might be like, oh, he watches too much TV, but when we're doing a vlog,
it ain't much we can do, to be honest. You know what I mean? And it's easier for him to sit there.
Yeah.
Just watch his TV until, you know what I mean? So
it's not like it's going to be all night. It's just going to be till we.
So guys, she decided to put her time in. Now she's going to rub everything up. What else you putting in right now before you put it in the pot, babe?
I'm going to put the green. Oh, this knife is not very good. Where's a good knife at?
She's putting her.
Yeah, I'm going to cut the green onion and put in there. I might do some more again after, but this is what I'm doing right now.
Okay, just mind your finger though.
Yes, baby. I'm not a chef cutting like you. I just, you know, I just get it done.
Yeah.
I'm not like. I'm scared I'm going to cut my finger or something.
Baby that. Alright, okay, babe.
Yeah, I don't like doing it like that because I don't feel like I have enough.
So the thing that I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can do it, but you just got to move your fingers away. You see, like you push your fingers out like that.
Okay.
You gotta prevent. Exactly. So.
But I guess practice is practice,
just
right?
protect your fingers, and you should be good, love.
Practice.
Yeah, so. You see, she watches me and she learns. That is sexy, babe. Oh my God! Every day you surprise me more and more, man. How can I not love you? Look at this beautiful chicken. Oh, sweet. Are you adding all your aromatics to it from now?
Well, you know, guys, I'm always thinking about health along with taste. So. Yeah. And it is so healthy to eat ginger and thyme and onion and garlic. Like this is what God created, and it's good and healthy, right? So
yeah, the natural herbs are always good. So yeah. I got you, love. I see you.
Yeah.
Doing your thing.
I'm just gonna mix it all in together, and now I'm gonna cut some onion.
I don't know for y'all, but I just love my baby, man. The way she do her stuff, the way she's confident. Aww. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just love my beautiful baby. Look at that smile.
I love you too, baby.
Look at that smile.
I love you too.
Rocks me up every time, man. Okay. So you're putting all these in.
I'm gonna put all of this in and mix
then you rub it in. Nice. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Actually, this is.
You actually knows because you're doing it.
I can't remember if this is how you do it or not, but
no, you're doing it the way you are doing it.
Yeah, I'm doing
they
it
want
the
to
way
see
I'm doing it.
Your natural skills. Okay.
Yes.
So you're doing it the way.
Because it's all for flavor, and it's gonna cook down. Some people might say, no, Jen, you gotta fry the chicken first, and then you gotta add the onion. Everyone has their own way, right? But this is the way I'm doing it. It's gonna be very flavorful.
You know what?
Yes, my love.
Or subby's gonna tell you if you do good or not. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm sure everybody has their own way of doing it.
Sweet. Beautiful.
So the last
okay, so what's going on now?
So first of all, I wanted to show everyone we got our stove fixed.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Right? They came with a salvaged one, so we didn't have to pay for it. Yeah, it was one that I guess this burner wasn't working, and the guy came and got the burner working, so we got it fixed for nothing. So I'm happy about that. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna let this get really hot, and then once it gets really hot, I'm going to add the chicken to the pot.
Okay.
So once it gets hot, I'm going to add the chicken to the pot.
Okay. Hot like you. All right.
Pretty hot and thick.
So guys, I have a little niece. The other day she called. She knew A man love peace and not fighting and war. So once you can give him peace, do whatever, it's gonna work just like this. Always remember that. Okay? So just be positive about it, and remember you can always call uncle for advice, and uncle is gonna always be there to give you the best advice I can. You understand? And yeah, I got you niece. So yeah, that's about it that I can share with you. Just be positive about it, you know what I mean? Try different strategies how to make it work, how to, you know what I mean, so you don't feel pressure. And yeah, the rest is history, man, trust me. Okay, niece, try the strategy that I said though. Get the cover dish and do that, and ensure that juice is always in the fridge too, and fruits, yeah, and make it work. Okay, you have a good day now. Yeah, all right, girl. Only married, you know what I mean? I think my niece is what, 19, I would say. No, wait, my sis is 24, so my niece is 23. So she got married. You know, the pressure, not the pressure, but she's newly married and she felt overwhelmed already with cooking for her husband and stuff. So she calls me and she's like, Akeen, who does the cooking in your house? And I'm like, you know, to be honest with you, my wife do most of the cooking, but I cook for the camera. You know what I mean? So I think she asked me first about flavors and my recipe and how I cook and stuff, and I said, you know, you can go over my YouTube channel and you see most of the stuff that I cook. So the other day she called me and she was like, who do the cooking in your house? You know what I mean? Because her husband eat a whole lot, and she's like getting frustrated already. So I said, to be honest with you, my wife cook most of the time, but I cook for the camera. So she started laughing, and then she's like, so who do you recommend? Ooh. Okay, y'all, go for it.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So she was like, so who do you recommend to do most of the cooking? I said, by the Bible, you know what I mean? So I said, by the Bible, you know, it said women should provide for a man. Not a man should go out and provide, but a woman should ensure that the man come in and he eats, and you know what I mean? It's naturally for a woman to nurture and care. So I was just there and I'm sharing my 2 cents with her, and babe was like, babe, oh my god, that reason was so good. So she was wanted to add to that. What were you wanted to say, babe?
Well, I just wanted to, so if there's somebody else that's in his little cousin's shoes and you're watching and you may be like, oh my goodness, this whole married thing is overwhelming or exhausting or whatever. So some tips that Babe was giving his niece that I do and that I actually learned from him was to cook a lot up and then have these dishes. So we have the dishes with the snap lids. So I'll put like a little bit of rice, a little bit of vegetables, a couple pieces of chicken, and I might have 5 or 6 of them stacked up and put them in the fridge. Sometimes we have 2 meals, like we might have salmon in 2 of them and curry chicken in 4 of them. Then when he comes home, if he's hungry, he can just grab either salmon or curry chicken, whichever one, you know, he is in the mood to have.
So she's mean like meal prep. So before I met my wife, I was alone, right? So I used to do a lot of meal prepping, and with that, I think it works out better for me because I'm always busy working, right? So when I come home, I just grab something and I bring food to work with me, and it's just easier too because you save, right? You save and not have to buy lunch every day, and you see who's work out and stuff. So.
And if there's 2 people working, it's too hard to have someone cook every single night. It's just...
So that's what I was telling her. I was saying to her, what you could do is cook enough food, like cook a large variety if you're getting overwhelmed every day and can't afford to not can't afford to cook, but like if you don't want to cook every day, you could cook a lot and then meal prep. If you know he eats a lot,
Yeah.
So you meal prep. You go to the dollar store, you get some covered dish. And yeah, it gets easier, you know what I mean? So you can cook every other day or every 2 days you can cook and it would work out better, you know what I mean? Because now you have time for yourself, right?
Yeah.
But in my household, guys, most of the time I just have a salad. So my wife, she doesn't have enough pressure, but she will just cook for Rajero, and it's okay with me because most of the time I'm not even here too, right? So I'm working. So when I come in, I don't want any heavy meal, babe. Just give me a salad, and trust me, I'm good with that. So yeah.
And then another thing is like, while Rajero was at school today and Babe had some errands to run, I swept, I mopped, I dusted, I changed the bed. So when he and Rajero came home, like I had it all done. So, you know, you just find a time when you can just get it all done without having distractions or things, you know what I mean? So I had like 2 hours today and I was flat out cleaning the toilets, cleaning the bathroom, cleaning the floors, dusting, stripped the bed, laundry's on, and I'm like, you know, and then Babe came home, it's all done.
And share the work too, man. Like, you know what I mean? Help each other, because I mean, it takes off a lot from each other, right? Like me, I chew gums a lot, right? And with my wife, it's just that it keep missing me to go and get my gums. And I could say to my wife, you know how nice that is to say, babe, get me some gum, and it's no issue. Like just the simple things, man. So yeah, she just get me my gums, and I'm happy again.
I make sure he's got bottled water.
Yeah.
I make sure he's got juice. I saw today and I said, babe, we need toothpaste. Pick up some dental floss. And, you know, so it's a shared thing, but like, yeah.
So, well, use a different,
No, this one you can use this.
you can use it, but, okay.
Yeah, that's one thing you missed that in the last vlog. I said that. I said, guys, you know what I like about this pan? You can use a metal spoon in it.
Oh, okay.
That's one of the things I like. It says right on it, you can use a metal spoon in this pan.
Oh, okay.
Right on the cover, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Most pans, you can't do that.
Who is that, Papa Raj? Is that you, Papa? Yeah. What you riding?
I'm riding my tractor.
You riding your truck?
Yeah.
Okay. You like this truck?
Yeah.
You soon get big over this truck where you can't ride it anymore. Guys, I know, you guys see the growth? Rajero gets so big, man. It's crazy.
Mommy got a question.
Yeah.
Are you allowed in the kitchen when we're cooking?
Answer, no?
Right.
Yeah, and why is that? It's because mommy and daddy doesn't want for any accident to happen and Rajero get hurt, right?
Yeah.
So
Or
that's
mommy.
That's why we prevent that from happening, because we don't want to spoil up baby and his baby face and his sweet future, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so just step back, Baba.
And mommy's knee. Mommy don't want to trip over you and hurt her knee again, okay?
Try not to
Alright,
come in the
okay.
kitchen while we're cooking, okay? Yeah.
Good boy.
Love you. Go again.
This is smelling so good, let me tell you.
She ain't lying. Trust me, guys. So, I told you guys.
Smelling so yummy.
I did told you. She got her stuff together. Look at that. All right. What you doing now? What's that?
I'm gonna add a couple pimento seeds in here.
Okay. Okay.
It's not Jamaican without pimento seeds. Come on. It's not Jamaican without thyme. It's not Jamaican without pimento seeds.
You know what, babe? I'm so proud of you, man. You know, because like, it just goes to show that you wanted to learn. You know what I mean? You want for me to be happy, and
I do.
look at us now, man. Look at it. Look at the
You know,
growth,
and
baby.
it makes me happy to make others happy. Now, let's not get it twisted. I am not a people pleaser. I do it because of the feeling it gives me. I like to know that people that I love are happy and that the things they need, they have. You know, like, yeah. And you do the same for me. You do things for me that makes me happy. So I appreciate
Because that's
that.
life, and we have to you know, we have to give and take with each other. You know what I mean? To make it work. So I can't come in your life and know that you like something. I want to take that away from you.
Right.
But you shouldn't take away from me that makes you happy. You know what I mean? So yeah, we gotta work for each other, and that's how it's gonna work.
Yep, exactly.
The guys are coming together nicely. So what you doing now?
So I'm cutting up the carrots to have them prepared and ready to go.
Mind your fingers.
Yes, baby.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut them up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do them like julienne style or whatever you call it. So I'm gonna do them long and skinny. I'm gonna cut them, but like I'll show you. I'm gonna go like this. And then cut them like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they won't take too long to cook.
So what you doing?
Probably need a little more than that.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to start on the dumpling because I can put the carrots in there first.
So guys, backstory, we use that as a storage because we have so much pots and stuff, so we use the dishwasher as storage. So they went for the pot cover in the dishwasher. Okay, babe.
Alright, now I'm going to get started on the dumpling.
Okay.
Yes, my love.
You wrote this down.
What is that, Pops?
Yeah, you broke it.
Was it on your truck?
Say, I broke it, Mommy.
I broke it, Mom.
I think it's fixable though, honey.
Fixable.
Pretty sure it's fixable. Yeah, I think it's meant to come off. Pretty sure. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some salt. So,
Oh, you're gonna need your dumpling. Okay.
yeah.
Alright.
Some salt in there. And then a little bit of water. And we're not going to use cold water, but not...
You remember the other day when we did the cornmeal dumpling, did you want to add some cornmeal? He said it nice. He said that was good.
It was really
Yeah, so
good.
that's the cornmeal. So guys, she did some cornmeal dumpling for her the other day and she eat it, she likes it. So I'm advising her to do that today too. So.
I'll have one because I'm like, I don't want to gain weight, right? Is that enough?
Put a little bit more and it should be good.
I've never done
that's
this.
good.
I have never done this part before, so.
Oh, okay.
But mind you, I always put a little bit of baking powder in mine, but you guys don't. I just find it makes it a little softer.
Baking powder is in the fried dumpling.
Yeah, I know, but Newfoundlanders put it in our what we call doughboys, which is similar to dumpling.
Okay.
So I kind of incorporate the two normally, and Rajero really liked them too. He's like, oh, and they're not hard, so he can put his fork in there, and they don't like. He really likes them.
Okay.
Yeah, but I won't do it today because we're doing authentic Jamaican today. And Jamaican do not put. They can put the salt and stuff in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put some water in,
You're gonna need your dumpling.
and I'm gonna need my dumpling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys never put butter or milk in? It's always water?
Yes, for cooked dumpling, but for fried dumpling we cook butter. We can put milk, we put butter.
Yeah, so we do that with our boiled dumpling too.
Okay.
Not just our fried dumpling.
No, it's fine.
Okay, babe.
You know I've been doing this when you weren't home, right? This is what I've been doing, babe.
Yeah.
Yes. It might not be perfect, but it's gonna be how I do it.
Okay.
And then maybe you can help me do it better though.
Look at that. It's doing her thing.
So
She got her
if you can give me any tips, baby,
carrot and Irish, huh?
if you can give me any tips,
Yeah.
I would really appreciate it.
For what? Your dumpling?
Yeah. So
Just
more
say
water?
Put a little bit more water. Yeah, of course. Yeah. And then you just incorporate everything. I think from there now you should be good. You should be good where water is concerned. Just knead it out properly.
Am I doing it properly?
Yes, you're doing it good, baby girl.
Like it seems really stringy. Is that normal?
Yeah, you just need to get it together. So if it's still tough, you add a little bit more water to get it soft. Okay. And then you just try to incorporate everything together to get it to that place that you're looking for.
Okay.
Right? If you spoil it, it's no problem. All we do is add more flour. Okay?
Okay.
You see it's coming together? That's what you need.
It still seems really...
Yeah, because you just need to knead it in properly.
Okay.
So do that. It's coming together, babe.
Okay.
If it still feels tough, you probably need to add a little bit more water.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you could do...
Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna just keep doing it just to see. I'm gonna keep working it. Can you overwork it?
I don't know about that one.
No.
Yeah, if you need more water, you add it. Guys, that's how you teach her. Just like when it's at this point now, because he doesn't want to spoil it, so you tip a little and you get it in together. So, yeah.
It's so tough, eh?
That's okay, you get it.
This will make you have muscles. Okay, so just knead it, right?
Yeah, baby.
And it'll come together
Yeah.
the way it's supposed to. And take all access around the bowl. So it's looking good now, right?
Of course, you're looking perfect. Perfect-lento.
Took me a while, I tell you, to get it like this. Let me tell you. All right, so now I can. Okay, so take this much off,
Yeah.
and you go like that and like that.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna help you with this though.
This is how I've
We
been
want
doing
beautiful
it.
dumplings.
Yeah, I don't
Guys,
make beautiful dumplings, but they still.
I wouldn't be nice if I make you make those.
What
You know
about
I
like
mean?
that? That's not nice.
Yeah, we're gonna make some. I'm gonna make some, and you're gonna make some. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what's gonna happen.
Let me see how you make it.
What you doing now?
I can't forget about my chicken. I'm trying to make dumpling, but I can't forget about my chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
Baby dumpling. You know what? She's so competitive. She doesn't want my help. Oh my. Okay.
Well, you can cut the yam up because I don't know nothing about no yam.
No, you gotta bring that over. We're dealing with nice. We're dealing with good dumplings. Okay.
Okay.
So what you need, you're pushing them too flat.
Oh.
So you just need to, like the palm of your hand,
Yeah.
right here, the palm,
Yeah.
and then the other palm to get them.
Like that?
Yeah.
That better?
Okay.
Is that too flat? Or I mean too puffy right there? No?
That's okay. That's fine. Guys, she's having a little difficulty with the dumplings, so I take out one and I'm showing her. I'm saying roll it like this, like a ball.
Okay.
Roll it like this, like a ball, baby.
Okay.
Look.
Yes, okay.
And then we're gonna use right here,
Right.
right here,
Yeah.
and right here. The next one, and then we'll go like this. Nice. You see, it's better now, right?
I don't know if that's what you're
So
saying.
yeah,
Okay.
it's better now.
Okay.
So we do it again.
Okay. Should I do these over? Yes.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yes. Nice.
He gets his hands going. I don't know how to do it.
All right. So we're gonna roll
The
it.
fingers be
We're gonna
going.
roll it, roll it, roll it. Look,
Yeah,
roll it,
yeah.
roll it, roll it, roll
Okay.
it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It take practice, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it,
Okay.
roll it, roll it like.
And then put it here.
Want it beautiful and neat. So once we get it like this, then we'll go like this and get it like that.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, it does look better, babe.
Alright.
We go again.
Okay.
Yeah, so school is in session.
I like the way you go.
Yeah. So roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it like a ball.
Rolling.
Roll it like a ball.
Jenna's
Roll it
just
like
a
a ball.
rolling. Okay. And then, okay.
Nice.
Okay. Rajero's gonna have some dumplings. Mommy's just a rolling. I'm rolling the dumpling for Rajero. Do you want dumpling?
Yeah.
Of course you do. Say, of course, Mommy.
Of course, Mom.
You love your dumpling, don't you?
You see? Ready? So guys, I get this at Superstore. I get this like Superstore and I pay like $19 for it. You know what I mean? That's how much I love my yam, man. I mean, it's starchy, but who cares? Like when you can feel at home even in your food, that's like the best feeling. So I pay like $19 for this and I'm happy. Trust me, I'm happy.
That is the same as a big pack of chicken. That's crazy.
Yeah.
How the world is that $19? That's highway robbery. Like, come
So
on.
this, babe, this, like my grandmother used to sell this. My grandmother used to sell this downtown.
How much?
Stop it, stop it, stop it. Yeah, so if y'all know me, my grandmother used to sell yam downtown. Like yellow yam downtown. And that's where my love for yam comes from, right?
How much did she sell it for? Do you remember?
Like it's always, like food like this always go up and down in prices, babe. Yeah, so
Okay.
like that's where I know good yams. So that is the reason why I take up this one. It's a good yam, but if you don't know yellow yam, if you touch it certain way, it can scratch it. Like you scratch your skin. Like if you touch it, like when you cut it and you touch it and you scratch your skin, it can be really painful. You'll be scratching all night, all day.
really?
So you have to know how to deal with it. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Wow. Well, I was actually, when I dropped Rajero off to school this morning, I was thinking I was going to go get one for you.
What?
But I remembered how there was a bunch at the Superstore that one time and you came home with none. And I'm like, hold on, let me finish. And I said, babe, how come you didn't get one? There was lots there. And you said, well, there was no good ones. So then I thought, well, if I go, I'm more than likely I'm going to pick up a bad one because I don't know the difference.
Yeah, I can
So that's
tell,
why I didn't do
tell
it.
good yam from bad yam. Just based off of my experience growing up with my grandma and I used to sell with her downtown.
Do I need to turn this down? I think I do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is cooking away. I'm going to put this in very shortly now, and this is the dumpling, and Babe's going to put the yam in here. Yeah. Are you going to do sweet potato too, right?
Yeah, I'll put some sweet potato in there.
Okay, and some Irish for Rajero. Yeah.
So guys, the yams are in. Yeah.
The dumpling is in, the yam
And like
is
babe,
in.
to get like the yams to be nice, what we normally do, you can just add some vinegar to the water and everything will come back beautiful.
And that's okay with the dumpling?
Yeah, just a little vinegar
Okay.
to it and everything will be fine. Yeah.
Oh, see? That is how it happened the other day with the glass, but at least these are plastic. Yeah.
Yeah. You going on, girlfriend?
Yeah, guys, one day we're going to have a house and we're not going to have everything piled up here like this. We're going to have a big pantry one day and everything is going to be organized. That is my dream and my goal.
So what are you doing now, babe?
Just getting the brown off the bottom.
Okay.
Stirring it up a bit.
So you're gonna add your seasonings now?
Yeah, and I gotta add a little more water because I want my potato and my carrot to cook, right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water.
Looks good, babe.
Okay, now,
So I love that you don't put like you don't make it swim.
no.
Yeah, you have like just enough water to make it cook.
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful.
And now I'm going to cut up my green pepper. I'm going to put the cover on now. I don't think I'm going to use all of this. I didn't realize how much it was there. I'm going to put this in, not yet, because this cooks really fast, and I don't want it to, maybe like in like say 30 minutes or so.
Oh, baby, get down to work.
These pans, I'm so loving that you can use a steel one. It said it right on the packaging. So a couple more minutes, I'm going to put my green pepper in. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. And I'm going to add, I think I'm going to wait for this because this is going to make it thicker. And I really want the, I want these carrots and potato to cook. So I'm going to put that in after.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it's a lot more carrot than you guys would use, but you know, carrots is so good for us, and you know, how else are we going to get it in us? So,
Smelling good, like it's really smelling good, baby. I'm excited. Hey, I don't know if nobody else know about me happy. Look on cake, man. Cakes. Hey, look at that, man. Come on, man. Tell me she's not going with herself now, man. Oh, that thick and nice. Beautiful. You know, she have her pepperitis and she said, well, I don't know what is this, but she add it to it, so I have to support her decision. Okay, there you go. Pepper.
yeah, but I dropped it.
So when you do this means the chicken is on its way, soon finished?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
yes.
Okay.
That is it, baby. That is it.
Colorful. It's real colorful, girl.
Yeah.
Look, a babe I do it, yeah? Yeah. I'm a lovely queen, I do it. Brown stew chicken, yeah?
I'm gonna taste it now. Let's see, guys.
Yeah, get yourself a shot. How is it?
Okay.
Is it lacking anything?
Yeah, it's gonna, and this gives it some flavor too, right?
Oh, okay,
So,
so you're gonna add that to it.
yeah,
Alright.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yum, 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 yum.
I believe it's looking good. I literally can eat it with my eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But knowing you, you're gonna want more pepper.
Ooh,
Knowing you, you're gonna want more of this.
you're cooking. It doesn't matter what I want. So you're not telling them what you're adding. What's
This
the...
is pepper.
Okay.
I added hot pepper and black pepper.
So you added chili flakes and black pepper.
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah. Pepper, chili pepper flakes, and yeah. Just because I know Babe likes it a little bit spicy.
Okay.
Spicy. I'm gonna add some more water
Oh, okay.
because this stuff is thickening, eh?
Ooh. Ooh.
One thing about us, we like lots of sauce, gravy, or whatever you call it. So this is going to make it thicken up. So this would do what flour or cornstarch would do, you know? And it gives it good flavor. Flavor.
Flavor.
Yes. I might have to add some brown sugar. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'd rather not add it, but...
Alright. So your dumplings. Show them your dumplings.
Okay.
Dumplings and yam is in that. Okay.
And we're gonna add
Chicken is
the
right here, looking beautiful.
sweet potato.
Lovely. Can't wait to eat. So what are you doing here?
Oh, these are for Raj. Just some.
This look beautiful, baby girl. Trust me. Look lovely.
It is so hot in this kitchen, guys. Let me tell ya.
So all that you have in the pot is what?
Yam, sweet potato, potato or Irish, and dumpling.
Oh,
So there's the yam,
okay.
right?
Alright, babe.
All right. All right.
I just love this stuff. I don't know. Something about it. It's just mesmerizing, man. Look at that. Come on. She might be all mad I'm going in her pot, but look at that. How beautiful this is. You know what I mean? You know another thing that's beautiful?
What's that?
Baby's washing her sheet over.
Okay, so babe, I'm gonna get you to try it and see if it needs sugar, cause I don't know. I don't think it does, but yeah. But I see brown sugar. I have not added brown sugar to this, but I'm gonna let babe make the call. Sugar or no sugar? Deal or no deal? Sugar or no sugar?
I think it's perfect, baby.
I do too.
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Yeah, I don't think it needs it. Not even some more ketchup? You're good?
Yep.
Good, good, good.
Perfect.
No more pepper, no more none of that. It's all good?
No.
Okay.
Good. Perfect.
Okay.
Keep it doing it.
Alrighty then.
Love it.
Okay. Okay, so guys, this is done.
What's your final product, baby?
This is my final product. It looks like it might be cooked a little too much because it's fallen off the bone. But
Even
whatever.
better.
So I'm turning it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, you guys tell in the comment section how she does, man. For me, this is beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely
Wish
meal.
you could all have a plate.
Yeah. What you need to tell them?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I want to do that at the end, but I can say it now too. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We love you. Mwah.
You guys know the
We are
vibe.
not done yet, so
Get it
don't
done.
leave yet.
Yeah, get all of that done. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and turn that notification bell on. Because the
Watch.
queen is in the kitchen doing her stuff.
And watch the ads. And watch the movie to the end. And all in.
Peace.
So guys, in case you're wondering what our weather is like here in British Columbia, Campbell River, this is what it is like. Raining. Raining, raining. Spring is going to be here very soon, like in a week or two. So this is what we're going to be in store for a couple of weeks or months. I don't know. We'll see.
Babe,
Yes?
what?
What?
Really proud of you, man. That friggin' chicken is so good, man.
Thank you.
So guys, babe cook, and this is the moment of truth. So I want to show them all the way you cook, baby. Like stew chicken and some dumplings, some cornmeal dumpling, Irish sweet potato and yam. Okay,
And
so
I'm exhausted, guys. I'm so tired. I have to get up at 7 o'clock.
so I'm gonna test the pot to see what is what. You understand what you go on with? So I'm gonna test the pot today.
Thank you for doing this.
Yeah. Guys, I'll test to see where babe go on with, you know?
And get Rajero his meal.
Let's see what baby go on with today.
So guys, babe worked yesterday and last night. So I woke up this morning, got Rajero's breakfast, got him ready for school, took him to school.
Yeah.
And then I cleaned the whole house, and now I'm cooking, so I'm exhausted. And I know you must be tired too, babe.
So this all I'm gonna have, because I don't really mess around with sweet potato.
Okay.
So I'm gonna see what babe did today. Trust me, I'm excited, I'm hungry.
So guys, normally my chicken aren't falling off the bone like that, but you know, it's a little nerve-wracking with the camera on me and you watching over my shoulder. And like I said, I cook all the time and I'm just going, but like I don't really think about what I'm doing when I'm doing it. I just do it naturally. But when you're actually got it, guys, it's hard to vlog. I mean, kudos to babe because he does it all the time, but it's, yeah.
So guys, this is my plate. Naturally I don't eat so much food, you know, but you know what, I'm gonna eat it tonight because I'm really hungry tonight. And the food smells so good. So yeah, and it tastes good too. I taste the gravy and it tastes really good. So yeah, this is all I'm gonna have tonight. But guys, one thing Akeen's gonna ask y'all to do is like, share, comment and subscribe and turn that notification bell on, you know, for grow the fam when you get all new uploads, you know. Peace.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay.
Guys, got your food ready. A deboned chicken and his dumplings and everything. Are you happy for your food?
Yeah.
Happy for your dumpling pops?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. It is a bit hard.
Yeah, you gotta cool it, okay?
Yeah.
Ensure that you cool it, pops.
Oh, use both your hands. Oh, and we're gonna get you a napkin. And some water. Okay, guys, so this is my food.
What is 2 plates for, babe?
I don't know.
So guys, this is my food. You know, it's really, really, really good. You know who is happy today, like literally.
Yeah, because usually on his days off he cooks, so.
It's been a while too. We haven't made, like, I haven't eaten stew chicken, so come on, man. I'm just so over. I'm just so happy.
Potato. I got yam. I took one small little dumpling, guys. Yeah. So, anyways, now we're gonna go enjoy our food. So, God bless you all, and
Yes.
see you in the next one.
So good, man. Oh my God. Good.
Hey, my baby.
You don't watch TV when we're eating supper, Papa. Was it good?
Yeah.
Babe, is it good? Is it good?
Yes, it's good. Oh my God.
My daughter Jessica even came and got a plate.
And leave again.
Yeah, I'm going back in her room.
Baby did it. Yeah, I'll send you all the location. I'm gonna ship it out for you.
Should open up a restaurant, eh? Jamaican restaurant, authentic. There's none in Campbell River. We might have to think about that.
Okay.
So
Let's safe in the way up high in the sky. And we're loving.
where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Good boy. Do you like school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's a rainy day again. Oh, you should put your boots on. Here, let's mommy put your boots on. Come.
Yeah.
I'm coming. He's like, come on, Mom, hurry up. You got your boots on now, you're all set. Your rain jacket is in your school bag, okay?
Yeah.
And your rain pants, because if you guys go out in the rain, Mommy don't want you to get wet, okay?
Yeah.
All right. You got your lunch?
Yeah.
Let me see. You got your lunch? Okay. And you got your water? Okay.
My baby.
And you're all ready to go. Okay.
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
this one card and this is a gray card.
The gray car, yes, it is. So what is your name?
Mommy, Rajero.
Good boy. Yeah, and you're on your way to school.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?